Yep guys, it's still at Jordan Bikes, and today we have a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX for sale. So this one being the Ninja, it's the newest model following on from the Z1000 SX. 2020 bike on a 20 plate, and it's done 1,915 miles from new. It does have the panniers on there, so these are those quick release panniers you'll see in a lot of the Kawasaki models, so when they come off, super clean with no scaffolding left behind. You do now get a full colour TFT display, you get riding modes, you get cruise control. This one's also got the heated grips fitted to it as well. But it's a lovely bike. A bit sportier feeling than the old model, and of course you do get more equipment too, and you also get that quick shifter and blipper on there as well. So mega bikes all around. So if you do fancy it, give us a call and get it bought.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.